Is it the right time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will be delving deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, December 5, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 3, 2023, our system has identified Intel as a buy candidate, with a score of 2.01. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 9.91%. This means that, on average, it has generated a return of 0.45% per day since being labeled as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the middle of a strong rising trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 19.46% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between 1.71% and 29.41%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 42.38% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging between 15.38% and 53.37%. This suggests a price range of $48.37 to $64.29 after 1 year. Our latest update on Intel brings an important headline: Intel stock upgraded from hold/accumulate to buy candidate after Tuesday's trading session. On the last day, which was Tuesday, December 5, 2023, the Intel stock price experienced a decrease of 1.02%, going from $42.35 to $41.92. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $41.61 and a high of $42.29, representing a 1.63% fluctuation. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a loss of 6.3%. It's worth noting that the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally considered a positive sign. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 17 million shares on the last day, with a total of 31 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.31 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached was $45.34, while the lowest price was $24.73. Currently, the stock price is 7.54% lower than the 52-week high, which is equivalent to a difference of $3.42. Furthermore, it is 39.5% below the all-time high, which occurred on January 24, 2020, when the price reached $69.29. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, November 16, 2023, Telsey Advisory upgraded Intel and gave it a buy grade. On Wednesday, November 15, 2023, Mizuho Securities also upgraded Intel and gave it a buy grade. However, on Friday, October 27, 2023, Bank of America Securities downgraded Intel to underperform with a hold action. In contrast, HSBC upgraded Intel with a hold grade on the same day. Lastly, UBS gave Intel a neutral grade with a hold action on Thursday, October 26, 2023. Analysts have given Intel stock a general rating of buy. They highly recommend the PE ratio and price to book, both receiving a rating of strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Let's take a look at the signals for Intel stock. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal, while the long-term average indicates a buy signal. With the short-term average above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, which suggests a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it may face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $43.71. Conversely, if it falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $39.30. Breaking above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while breaking below the long-term average would trigger a sell signal. It's worth noting that some negative signals have also been observed, which could impact the stock's short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, November 29, 2023, resulting in a 6.72% decline so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. The decrease in volume along with the price during the last trading day reduces overall risk, as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence generated a sell signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands gave a buy signal 28 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 26 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following signals. The short moving average generated a buy signal 28 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 28 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 173 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Let's talk about the support levels for Intel stock. Right below today's level, we have accumulated volume indicating support at $38.86 and $35.69. When a stock tests a support level, there's always some inherent risk. If the current support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, the next support levels for Intel are at $38.86, followed by $35.69 and $35.54. It's important to note that Intel is considered a high-risk stock due to its significant volatility. The stock can experience large movements during the day, as indicated by the wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. In the last trading day, Intel moved $0.680 between its high and low, representing a 1.63% change. Over the past week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 2.43%. Before we go into the potential trading levels for Intel, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are losing money. Established companies can face temporary downturns due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for January 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $0.430. These figures can significantly impact stock prices, so it's worth keeping an eye on them. Today, we'll be exploring potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, Intel's first resistance level sits at $42.35. If you're not currently invested, it may be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportune level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel faces its first support level at $38.86. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point with the expectation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Intel is buy. Now, let's dig into some recent insider trades. On December 3, 2023, Zinsner David purchased 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Shell Christoph purchased 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Rivera Sandra L. purchased 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Holthouse Michelle Johnston purchased 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Gall Scott purchased 1,596 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -8.306. Overall, insiders bought 343,034 shares and sold 407,920 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $39.51, which represents a decrease of 5.76%. It's important to note that this stock experiences significant daily movements, which inherently carries a higher level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 4 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, Intel stock shows several positive short-term signals and a generally strong trend. This indicates that there is a potential buying opportunity at the current level. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. When we examine the volatility and movements of the stock, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. As for trading on Wednesday, December 6, we anticipate Intel to open up $0.0200 and begin trading at $41.94. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment decisions. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment choices. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss the current view of this stock. We want to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. Also, we'd love to know your target for this stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We sincerely wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at StockInvest.